me show the pussy them one trick. Killing everybody like John. Real shot, peel out your head back. Flat foot them now in with the chit chat.
The N and them. Big up to the whole of the Not Normal squad. You did me say? Angel. Where's that? Mood swing. Where's that? Not Normal Skem himself. I remember the whole of the name of the dog, sadly. I me can go watch it. Pookie or something. Poogie. Big up all on here, man. You don't know a chop in a dog. You did me say? We go to the whole squad. The N and them outside. You deaf? Sci-fi. The first ever sci-fi in Trinidad. Go check it out. Bad piece of reaction I'm giving for that too. You did me? Mad thing. Right now we got Skem. Bust them head. Bust out them head. Skem I gonna do what? We got Skem bust them head in the people. Oh yeah, tear the like button. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And we're trying to reach 30,000 subscribers right now. You see me, I say before the year ends, so we need them to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. Tear the like button and what people can get to see the video. So if you subscribe already, let's play a part in liking it. Let's touch the like button like that thing. So if you recommend to more people so them can subscribe to the channel too. And want them to subscribe, please touch the bell to get all notifications when I post and leave video, because I don't post every single day. And I post numerous videos on YouTube and I go send out all notifications them, so I want them to subscribe and touch the bell and select all if you know when the boy post and leave video them. Red Junior, man! Give me the president! Yeah!
Say
hey,
yo,
right then!
Vaza. Not normal. Go Dwight, hurry.
Sure!
Stop. Tired.
Big up the fake strap them!
How ya dark son?
Let the was!
We will bust them head,
Sure.
40 gal spa, catch them in the dark, don't play mad there. We will bust them head, 40 gal spa, catch them in the dark, don't play mad there. Don't know the vibes of the thugs, them mad, sick, put them boy in the body back. Quick, let me show the pussy them one trick. Killing everybody like John. Real shot, peel out your head back. Flat foot them now in with the chit chat. Them say they want war dog with what dark. Oh, with the AR, me the thing clap. Hey, me and the maddest and the baddest for the century. Send for the Taurus and the use it make my squeeze it till it empty.
Man, pause. Only thing we never go pause. We are little kill for you and go on. But question number one. Vaza. First me hear about Vaza. But you think of Gaza and this all along, you know. But a Vaza the dog I say, you know. You change the V to Z. Is it change the G to Z? To V? The V. What the fuck you talking about, bro? Shut up. Anyway, yeah. So I kind of change of G to Z. Vaza. First me hear about that. But lyrics are chop. Run tune.
Don't know the vibes of the thugs, them mad, sick. Put them boy in the body back. Quick, let me show the pussy them one trick. Killing everybody like John.
Quick,
like your head back. Flat foot them now in with the chit chat. Them say they want war dog with what dark over the air.
Killing everybody like John Wick. Them say them want war dog, but with who? With who them want the war? Run tune!
Army the thing clap. Hey, me and the maddest and the baddest for the century. Send for the Taurus and the use it make my squeeze it till it empty. Plenty, but them up to test me as Dwight. Not normal Vaza. Them cast night last friendly. Me the smoke, me the drink. Me surely I go bust at any day. You just need and just know you surely must when the shotgun pop off. Head done drop off. Instagram pity and your face get crap off. We will bust them head. We will bust them head. 40 gal spa, catch them in the dark, don't play mad there. We will bust them head, 40
God. Pew, pew, pew. I don't know about that. But when I think of the that I'm rest, I wait for different kind of movements there, Trini. You dig me? Me did never know say, well go on now. But what are the movements that I'm talking about? We have the Z-Tech movement. We have the Maniacs movement. We have we have the Not Normal movement, the NND movement. And you never saw the Bus 2 movement dog from CJ Dan dog. Big, come ever you say to them song dog, I never know why go on dog. Until Santa Cruz reaction said them I say, yo, yeah. I feel movement. I say, what? Black on man them I do them thing dog. You see me? I come have the reaction boss movement over here so right now. And you can say it in full effect, you know. Run through.
Catch them in the dark. Hobby don't tell me he feel like me talk too much. Can't tell when last me full me and pick up. So anyway me see me a spark it. Broad daylight in the market. No peace, bullet up is started. Spray on the hands like an artist. You never like war, pussy where you started. Hard it, real bad man, bad artist. In a bars I don't know we cold hearted.
Pass. Who you war with? But just try to a song in the dark. That song you call Brad, start it in the dark. Right? And me always say something about start a while. I don't know if I hear a war with it. I don't know if I hear a clash with it, I should say. But me just try to the man song a while ago in the dark. And the song name start it in the dark. I'm saying I'm going to start the war in the dark. I mean something about start a while ago. So I'm what you say.
You never like war, pussy where you started. Hard it, real bad man, bad artist. In a bars I don't know we cold hearted. She got finger play like a boy.
In a bread song in the dog, me I say, oh, the reaction, me I say, oh, Brad, a war with. Who you want to start the war with? And you will say in a ear song in a Skem, you know, say, I thought me have a good in the dog. You will say Skem. You say in a dog. You say, you know, like, why, but why you start? I must see me now, because the man song name started, you know. Oh no, and I like me, I tell you, listen, look for the logics. Brad, start it. Skem come now. Where you started. Go on.
Yelling, red light on the K and me firing. Make a shot with girl just aspiring. Nighttime, bad driver, yeah we hiring. Me done say, me the smoke, me the drink. Me surely I go bust it any day. You this the done, just know you surely must it when the shotgun pop off. Done drop off, Instagram picture, your face get crap off. We will bust them out.
That will a mask upon your face. You know, like a big on the cap of the gun.
We will bust them head, bounty color spot. Catch them in the dark, don't play mad yet. We will bust them head, we will bust them head, bounty color spot. Catch them in the dark, don't play mad yet.
See how I go on, I feel like I come and creep. I thought that Trinidad can keep a sting. But I'm telling you this. No bomb clock guns in my sting. And if I touch a man on the stage, I eat that. Feel like I'm gonna do it in a dog. I said, I'm mad at that. People want to see them thing they youth. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it, dog. I'm gonna try it, dog. But, Brad, Skem, more part two on our clash, you know. I'm telling you now, look at advice for the clash thing. Call Bumbleclot name. Just call name at the clash nice. As you can see, the viewers them like the Bumbuckle belt mix up on the channel. You know me? When I put the channel, them like mix up overall. And I like me I tell like everybody love mix up. Everybody love mix up. Look for the mix up between me and Nelly. Everybody love mix up. Boy, you prank me. It's alright. I'm out.